Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how I fixed a hose that we had around the house with one of these 5/8 male menders. And it's because this little cute guy right here got this hose confused with a chew toy, hit like. So, some of the tools that you might need is one of these pipe cutters. I bought a new handle because he got to that as well. Make sure he doesn't get next to these tools. So cute. And just one of these 5/8 male menders is what they call them. You can see right here where the damage is. Let's get to it. I like to use these because they make a really clean cut. It's effortless, but you can also use a straight blade so that when you put the new piece on there, there is no gap and you have a really good seal. Next thing you're gonna do is put on your hose clamp, and then you're going to put on the male mender. This is gonna be a little bit snug, but you can see I did it here with one hand. Seat it all the way down and then move your hose clamp just about 1/8 away from the end, and then you're going to tighten this screw down. You can obviously use a socket to tighten it down, but I used a flathead screwdriver. You can see how deep the groove is there. The flathead screwdriver fits in very easily, and I only had to cut away maybe 3 to 4 feet of hose. It's a very nice clean look. It has a very good tight seal, and I can still use this hose and save some money not having to spend $30, $40, $50 on a brand new hose. Making sure this guy doesn't get back to it again. Little Bruce. It was a really fast fix. It saved me a lot of money not having to buy a brand new hose. Really clean look. Everything works perfectly. Tuck it away so he doesn't get back to it. I have links for everything in the description below. Make sure that you hit like and subscribe. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check out this video that I attached here at the end, and I'll see you on the next build.